All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, March 11th, and this is the ES Morning Call. Yesterday we had a nice live event, so if you're not tuning in for our live events, please go back and take a look at them. Getting a lot of positive feedback, and please send us any emails and any other things you want to see. I'm going to make it clear that we are giving you guys a lot of information. We're going to teach, we're going to show you where the fish are, but we're not going to teach you how to fish. So the stuff that is our proprietary stuff is our stuff. That's it. Sorry. We have a plan down the road to get it out to people, but it's all in the works right now. So this is a day chart of this is so without overnight action. So it looks like now we've left a little gap on the upside. Okay. 65 and a quarter down to like 62 half. So we got that to deal with. This down here is that 2026 half area, which was the old 50% move from the old high and the low on December 14th. So I'd like to see the market move back in that area. We still have a negative bias as we speak today. As we speak today. All right, overnight action in S&Ps. Okay, um, we have a high of 52 and 52, 54 and a half we broke up there. I mean, we made a high there right before the close and broke all the way down to 41 post close. So we got this action up here. We got some single prints. All right. And we got single prints all the way up. All right. Will today be a bounce back day? Europe had a little bit of a retracement, but still got a negative bias, and we'll see what the morning brings us. High is 2057.75 when we're talking about the uh, high of value. We've got the bull bear zone at 2053. We've got the point of control at 2048.75. And we got the bottom of value at 2045.75. And then we have the overnight. Yesterday's low down at right here, which was made post close, and that it was 2041 and a quarter, which actually made it to two times the IB range that we spoke about yesterday. Except they didn't do it until after post close. So I'll be looking at today for me. All right, here's 2052 and a quarter. Here's the high that we made that we ended up breaking down from yesterday, 2054 and a quarter, and then if we get above 2057 and a quarter, that's what it's going to take for me to really uh, think that we're going to have an up day. All right, that is what I have on S and P's. Okay, gold. Let me open it up for you. All right, so gold value area high. We got 1,169 and 90 cents. We've got 1,164 and 30 cents is the point of control. Our bull bear zone is 1,062 and 70 cents, and they got the bottom of value of 1,057 and 90 cents. This is a little surprising to me. We got a down bias, okay, but the gold seems to be selling off, and with all the uh, instability and all the woes and that's going on in Europe right now and in China financially. And then last night, uh, the Russians said that they're pulling out of the treaty, the arms treaty. I think it was out there. It came over on our Twitter. Anyway, I don't know. I mean, this is surprising that we're getting this sort of sell off in gold, but that thing that's down over $100 from where it was a month ago. So that's a little surprising. But we do have a negative bias in it. Okay. Um, bring in the ZB. All right, ZB. Well, we had this. We we we've had a sell off, and then we had this rally. We got the top. It's reaching to the top of value right now. 158.20. Point of control 158.14. The bottom 157.20. Bias is up. Our bull bear zone is 159.04, so it's way back up here. Let's see what happens. It's testing, getting side value now, and see if it reaches some support in here and rallies back up. And I think it's all over the concern that the Fed and the central banks, with all the instability, have really kind of basically painted themselves into a corner when it comes to uh, uh, the ability to raise rates. I think that they think that would send a shock wave into the markets, and um, that would not be good considering all the instability that's on right now. So, all right, just to recap, SPOOs, we got a negative bias. I think we got to get above 54 half and then 57 and a quarter for this market to take hold on the upside. Otherwise, I'm a seller of rallies. And, we could get a sell off in the morning and a late afternoon rally based on the fact that the European markets are closing so strong. All right, that's what we got. Good luck. Hook up with us on Twitter and get your updates. Talk to you later. Bye.